Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 11th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about the block quote and quote tags in HTML. Now I have a very simple HTML document opened up in my text editor Notepad++ here, and on line 1 in this file I have my doc type declaration, and then on line number 2 I have the opening HTML tag. In the head section in between the title tags I have the title of the document, which is block quote tags, as you can see, and then in the body section I've got a couple of paragraphs. So the first paragraph has a text, Forrest Gump's mom always said, and I quote. And then on line number 8 I have another paragraph tag, opening paragraph tag for another paragraph, which is life is like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're going to get. And then this paragraph is getting closed, and then on line number 10 I'm closing the paragraph that I opened on line number 7. Right, so it's a very simple document. Let me show you guys how this looks when I open it in a web browser. So this is how it looks, and you have sentence number 1 on the first line, and then as another paragraph you have the next sentence. Now, you know, since this is a quotation and it's one of my favorite quotes from you know, any or all the movies that I've seen in my life this far, you know, I love this film and I love this quote in particular. So since it is a quote, you know, it would make sense if we would indent it by a few characters and display it as indented text, right? And there are a lot of ways in which we can achieve that. Firstly, we can use a pre-tag, and we can have a few characters of space here, and you know, obviously we'll have to match the font and all so that it doesn't look weird. And the other option that we have is you know, we can use the non-breaking space characters here at the beginning of the paragraph so that we have the entire thing shifted. The best and the most convenient way of achieving this effect is through the use of the block quote tags. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to you know, remove this p tag here, and I'm going to instead type in block quote. That's BLOCKQUOTE, right? And I'm just going to copy this and I'll paste it here, right? So we have the opening block quote tag instead of the opening p tag, and we have the closing block quote tag instead of the closing p tag. I'll save this file, and when I view it in my browser now, I see that, you know, the sentence is shifted by a few characters of space, right? So this is what the block quote tag does. And let's say you don't want this block, you know, this entire block of you know, text to be indented. Instead you want quotation marks around the text, right? So in that case the tag that you'll have to use is known as the quote tag or the Q tag, right? So it's just the alphabet Q, and I'll have to change it here too at the ending position. So I'll get rid of block quote and simply have /Q. I'll save the file, and now when I refresh it in my browser, I see that I have quotation marks around the quote, life is like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're going to get, right? So that's it for this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial, in which we'll discuss more HTML tags, more features. And thank you so much for watching this one, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.